Okay, when doing perimeter problems, a common mistake to see students do is they find the perimeter of the L shape by simply adding together the visible side lengths or the side lengths that are given. So they say that that's 6, 3, 5, and 2, and the answer equals 16 meters. Okay, well, how to overcome this? I think a great way of doing these problems is that you actually grab like a fluoro marker or a texter or a highlighter, and when you actually add together or put a side length into this calculation, that you actually highlight the side that you're putting in. So I'm going to put in 6 first of all, and I'm going to highlight that side. Then I'm going to put in 3, and I highlight that side. Then I'm going to put in 5, and I'm going to highlight that side. Then put in 2, and I'm going to highlight that side. And what will become quickly evident is that this is not the perimeter of the L shape. What it is it's the addition of all the visible or marked side lengths. So our job now will be to use the information contained within the diagram to actually find out what these missing side lengths are. Now this side here, to get this, what I know is that if I mark here, this 3 here will be actually 3 over there. And this 5 will also be 5 down here, okay? Because this length here is the same as this length here. Now, what's that in total from there to there? Well, it's going to be a total distance of 8. All right, so I'm going to highlight that, which is going to be 8, and I'm going to add it. And finally, I need this distance here. Now I know that the height from here to here is equal to 2. Now if I imagine that across to here, that would mean that from there to there is 2. This bit here will be the same as this length here, which I know that from 2 to get to 6, it must be 4. So I know that this length here has to be 4 because 4 and 2 will equal 6, the opposite side length. So I'm going to add 4 to it as well, highlight that, and calculate my perimeter, which is 9, 14, 16, 24, 28 meters. Let's try out one more. Okay, so this one here, what we'll do is this problem. Okay, so let's see how we go with this one. We're going to include that one. So perimeter equals 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus. Now we can see here that the student knows that this is 9. That's fantastic. Okay, that length there must be 9 because that's 5 and that's 4. So we're going to add 9 as well, which is 7, 11, 20, 28. Now what's evident though, if you're colouring in the sides or highlighting the side once you've included it, is this is not the total perimeter because this one's still left uncoloured. Okay, so what we're going to do is again use the information provided. I know that that's 2, which will mean that that's 2. The full length is 8, which means that must be 6 because 6 and 2 will equal 8. So what I'm going to do is add 6 and highlight that, and I've got the full perimeter, which will be 34 meters. Okay, so again, I implore you to use that strategy there of colouring in the sides to make sure that you've addressed all of the side lengths when you're calculating the perimeter. Good luck.